Hi children, welcome to my channel. In previous class, we learned alphabet from F to O. Today, we are going to learn capital letters P to Z. Okay children, shall we start the class? Okay. Here, first letter, capital P. What is this letter? Capital P. How to write capital P? In 3 lines, we can write the standing line. 1-2 lines, we can write the left curve. Capital P. Standing line, left curve. Standing line, left curve. Capital P. What is this letter, students? Capital P. Next, what is the capital P sound? Pa. Pa. What is the capital P sound? Pa. P for pineapple. See, students, what is this picture? Pineapple. What is this picture? Pineapple. P for pineapple. What is the P sound? Pa. What is the P sound? Pa. What is the next letter, children? Q. What is this letter? Q. Capital Q. How to write capital Q? 1, 2, 3 lines we can write the circle. 2, 3 lines we can write the right slanting line. Capital Q. Circle. Capital Q. Circle. Capital Q. What is this letter, students? Capital Q. What is the sound of Q? Qua. What is the sound of Q? Qua. Q for Queen. What is this picture? Queen. Q for Queen. What is the sound of Q? Qua. What is the sound of Q? Qua. Okay. Next. What is the next letter, student? Capital R. What is this letter? Capital R. How to write capital R? 1, 2, 3 lines we can write the standing line. 1, 2 lines we can write the left curve. 2, 3 lines we can write the right slanting line. Capital R. Standing line, left curve, slanting line. Standing line, left curve, slanting line. Capital R. What is this letter? Capital R. What is the sound of R? R. What is the sound of R? R. R. R for rainbow. What is this picture? Rainbow. R for rainbow. What is the sound of R? R. R. Rainbow. What is this picture? Rainbow. What is the sound of R? R. What is the next letter, students? Capital S. What is this letter? Capital S. How to write capital S? 1, 2 lines we can write the right curve. From 2, 3 lines we can write the left curve. Capital S. Right curve, left curve. Right curve, left curve. Capital S. What is this letter? Capital S. Capital S. What is the sound of S? S. What is the sound of S? S. S for sun. What is this picture? Sun. What is this picture? Sun. S for sun. What is the sound of S? S. What is the sound of S? S. Yes. What is the next letter? Capital T. What is this letter? Capital T. How to write capital T? From first line, we can write the sleeping line. 1, 2, 3 lines, we can write the standing line. Capital T. Sleeping line, standing line. Capital T. Sleeping line, standing line. Capital T. What is this letter? Capital T. What is the sound of T? T. What is the sound of T? T. Sound of T what? T. T for tree. What is this picture? Tree. What is this picture? Tree. T for tree. What is the sound of T? T. What is the sound of T? T. What is the next letter? Capital U. What is the next letter? Capital U. How to write capital U? 1, 2, 3 lines, we can write the up curve. From 1, 2, 3 lines, write up curve. In strokes already we learned the strokes. Up curve, down curve. This is the up curve. Capital U. Capital U. What is this letter? Capital U. What is the sound of U? What is the sound of U? Umbrella. U for umbrella. What is this picture? Yes, umbrella. What is this picture? U for umbrella. What is the sound of U? What is the sound of U? U for umbrella. What is the sound of U? What is the next letter? Capital V. What is the next letter? Capital V. How to write capital V? See students, 1, 2, 3 lines we can write the right slanting line, left slanting line, right slanting line, left slanting line, right slanting line, left slanting line. Capital V. What is this letter? Capital V. What is the sound of V? V. What is the sound of V? V. V for van. V. Sound of V? V. What is this picture? Van. What is this picture? Van. V for van. What is the sound of V? V. What is the sound of V? V. Next. What is the next letter? Capital W. What is this letter? Capital W. How to write capital W? See, 1, 2, 3 lines we can write the right slanting line and left slanting line. Again, right slanting line, left slanting line. Don't write the standing line for starting for capital W. Someone write the like this. This is the wrong. This is the wrong. How to write capital W? Write the right slanting line, left slanting line, again right slanting line, left slanting line. Capital W. Right slanting line, left slanting line, right slanting line, left slanting line. Capital W. Capital W. Next. What is this letter, children, down? What is this letter? Capital X. What is this letter? Capital X. How to write capital X? 1, 2, 3 lines we can write the right slanting line, left slanting line, right slanting line, left slanting line, right slanting line, left slanting line. Capital X. What is this letter? Capital X. Capital X. What is the sound of X? X. What is the sound of X? X. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. What is this? X for Xmas tree. What is the sound of X? X. What is the sound of X? X. What is the next letter? Capital Y. What is the next letter? Capital Y. How to write capital Y? See children, 1, 2, 3 lines we can write the left slanting line. 1, 2 lines only we can write the right slanting line. Capital Y. Left slanting line, right slanting line. Left slanting line, right slanting line. Capital Y. What is this letter? Capital Y. What is the sound of Y? Ya. What is the sound of Y? Ya. Y for yak. What is this picture, children? yak. Y for yak. Y for yak. What is the sound of Y? Ya. What is the sound of Y? Ya. What is the next letter? Z. What is this letter? Z. How to write Z? In first line, we can write the sleeping line, left slanting line, again sleeping line. Capital Z. Sleeping line, left slanting line, sleeping line. Capital Z. Sleeping line, left slanting line, sleeping line. Capital Z. What is this letter? Capital Z. What is the sound of Z? Z. What is the sound of G? Z. What is the sound of Z? Z. G for zebra. What is this picture? Zebra. What is this picture? Zebra. G for zebra. G for zebra. What is the sound of Z? Z. What is the sound of G? Z. Okay, children, we completed from P to Z letters with phonic sound. How to write also we completed. Once again, I will repeat all these letters. Listen carefully. What is this letter? Capital P. How to write capital P? Standing line, left curve. Next letter, capital Q. Circle, right slanting line. Next letter, capital R. Standing line, left curve, slanting line. What is the next letter? S. Right curve, left curve. What is the next letter? T. Sleeping line, standing line. What is the next letter? U. Up curve. What is the next letter? Capital V. Right slanting line, left slanting line. What is the next letter? W. Right slanting line, left slanting line, right slanting line, left slanting line. Capital W. What is the next letter? Capital X. Right slanting line, left slanting line. What is the next letter? Capital Y. Left slanting line, right slanting line. What is the last letter? Z. Sleeping line, left slanting line, sleeping line. Capital Z. Okay, children, in this class, we completed capital letters from P to Z. All sessions we completed capital letters from A to Z. Next coming class, I will explain how to write the small letters with the stroke. Okay, children, take care. Bye-bye.